Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transports. So this is a very simple test on the conductivity of the bow collector of the Rivarossi tram. I've connected one polarity of the mechanocontroller to the bow collector. The other polarity goes directly to this light bulb holder, and then I connected another jack cable from the light bulb to the contact, the bow collector contact inside the tram, and we can see that everything works. So technically everything should be work very well once I refit the body on the chassis, and this job is finally finished. What I'll do, I cleaned the hinges of the bow collector there with some contact cleaner. I still have a little contact cleaner in this plastic tub. I actually have a whole spray can as well, and I'll put a little bit of technical petroleum jelly there just to guarantee good conductivity. Okay, that's enough for the moment. Cheerio and see you next time. Ciao ciao.